can see tradition at its best. Culture. This is culture. He's commanding the rain to stop. Wow, wow. All of a sudden. Wow. Wow. Hey. Wow, 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 wow. Where is he? Where is he? Okay, I have him. Okay. 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 Meow. Meow. Wow. 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 Oh, where you from? Wow. Royalty. This is royalty. Proudly Ghanaian. Commanding the rain. Okay, so let's see what happens to the rain. Now let's see what happens to the rain, people. He's pleading with the gods to stop the rain. Wow. Okay. So let's see what happens to the rain. Wow. And the rain? Charlie, the rain they stop. Hey. Hey, like the rain they stop. Allah Allah. Hey. Hey. Charlie, like the rain they stop. I said the rain they stop. Charlie, it's your DJ. So if you did that, they dance. All right, so let's see. So as you can see, at a funeral, and this guy is dancing, pleading with the gods to stop the rains. And this is pure culture, tradition. He is dancing to stop the rain. Okay. So it looks like it comes with a lot of brags. He has done it before, pleading with the gods. And as he dances, people also gives him money to commend him for his hard work. Let's get here and see him properly. As you can see, the CEO of Angel Group of Companies, Dr. Kwaku in your shot, surrounded by beautiful women. Okay. That's Loving C, Ace radio presenter and DJ in your shot. Now, the gentleman is back in the rain. All right. Now, the rain is going down. The rain is going down. The rain is going down. Wow. Wow. Now look, there is sunshine. There is sunshine, people. There is sunshine. The sun is appearing. Wow. Whoa. And people are cheering him on. People are cheering him on. Whoa. Whoa. There is sunshine. This is pure. What? What? The sun is appearing. Ha! 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 Charlie! Charlie! Watch this! Ha! 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 The guy that does the bleed. The sun is up here. What? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
I listened to one pastor. Who is so, and he said, what did you don't joke with it? Yeah, real. But we have allowed religion to just.
Hey!
All of a sudden, you're neighbor.
Charlie, we are not here. Whoa! Whoa! I've never seen this, Charlie.
Okay, one pastor did has one. I say it is real. You don't joke with it. If you don't have to live in it, don't challenge it.
Charlie, 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 Charlie. Look at him. What? What? Pleading with the gods again. He's still pleading with the gods to stop the rain. Oh, unbelievable. 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 And the sun has appeared. Unbelievable. nothing. So at least I can step in the rain now. I can now step in the rain, and as you can see, Charlie, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Wow, wow. Charlie, you are there. Okay, guys. So you're not there. We'll go back into the. Awesome.
Said the Mwankasa, Modimoni, Ekokoshe, Ebie, and no. I open a cowsy and a yas and Timemu, dear, just a more body so say, nature say, I can't form Mambrani and money and Nesco Piemo, Crofo Frosso, the Anke, because I woman do one obey you, juju and one uncle neighbor. Mr. Van Bruce,
I mean,
oh, share a yes, said ye, no may see quite ye, papa, you son, no was a. Only said, now son, and necessary be. And I said, "Dear, now why you know sister, we mama, a remote ye." And I said, "Or so on, who said what 20 years we into war take and I will tell ye."
your history,
Okay.
but we've lost it. Your friend is saying, may sometimes now may share a confirmation history.
Okay.
We share near March to Ghana. Oh, call Cape Costa. A copy of your friend, I remove the Ewoquano. But say, who do a ponanoa status business? I saw collect truba. I so busy. And you'll be a carvey or more. No more fear Puneba. I'm fear Puneba team. Obama 4 call way no. No, don't say, hey, Nipa Ben, no doors saying cranny. To your more no more nanny ni penguin no more car. See from one crime.
Okay.
What I say? Your history, Nayarano. Yapa those times, no almost bunsa, no more saying. Ochedi ampon asase ya na ye nim po se asase ya frɛ ne ya na ye nim se ye frɛ ochedi ampon kwa me obroni peka che se Sunday na Sabbath na ye nananim nim se holiday no we Saturday
sure
enti ye no na ye nim amamre
okay
those times are na Egypt omo chro no Ethiopia Mali Empire Ghana Empire. Those times, no, not abrofo, almost dross. We have lost our identity. Yen ye started civilization. You started your glass first. No brody ni madia, your friend dross. But where have we gone wrong? Edu bribia, obia di oye eye wofe. Enti ohun se wani je ho a, odane wo de na wo ma wa yira wo de no, no ono afa wo de no. Memfo abosomsom so. But nyame ama yetumi yetumi no ewo nnuam okonofa ye wo nnua bia ye digare ye boat enka ho eye nnua nnua ye wa haban a sebi aboa bia ntimi fa se agisa ponche nyame ka ta se saa de ye de gu okom ne ahemfo de gu okom odi du bedwama edro bia eyira Sabi banchi a mini wudi na haban ohini ko bedwom no de to ne dross ase a obetimi ata 20 hours on you so ye wade ba ya hwere we kire ye say ye history but we've lost it and na yakofa near diluted one na ye dia brain one the catch say Jesus was a white man
okay
second Solomon mu na Jesus fee na King Solomon in Proverbs or say and the skin has scorched my and the sun has scorched my skin and my skin was as black as coal which means that Solomon was a black man now ultimately can't say Jesus Christ was a white man.
Okay.
We have lost it, but let me tell you one thing, it is time we know where we are coming from. I love to see things like this. A trap brony said obibini wo to me
okay
obroni ni post ropa and China ni and India ni and bibini. Because when him said that bibini benya the mind power no, they are gone.
Okay.
Because obibini started ye nyama na broni enye ho. Still enyama bi aye no abrafo no dwen ho.
Okay.
O de nkwala mienu ejina ho. Obibini ni obroni. Obibini is a rhythmic.
Okay.
Or sa according to rhythm.
Okay.
Obroni is a offbeat. We were born with it.
Okay.
We are blessed. Yeah, cause a blessed nation is the black man who is blessed. We are never cursed. It's your mentality now. You have to act now. Those times, no, you are so I say, who brony a coffee and one who Jesus. Who is a white man?
Okay.
This skin can change to any other skin, but you can never change any other skin to my skin.
Sure.
I'm a proud African. I'm a proud Ghanaian. That is what each of us should have that mentality. Say, yeah, we are blessed. We are beyond curse. Na ye go back. Na ye share. Ye so coinzama. I've been there once. Open to the punumu. Opa korada ni. Uyo bema korada ni. We enye court asemu.
Okay.
Enye police bro. Opa korada ni. What ikwafon ebi wanzama. Opa kona ko wia. That is what we have, and we are not. We don't know what we have.
Okay. Yeah, they want to sum ye bo.
Sum ye bo.
Ye hu ha wa ye nkura mu mfa.
They catch your hair. Yet ya hear Tom and Jerry. Go and answer stories. When ya nyansa enya adwen say. Another story ya eye day ya nananum yetiti ye ayeti. Why in the cartoon for? Tom and Jerry ye collar. That is what they've grown to learn. Tom and Jerry a kurani ejinawa. Kwa nansi ye cho say nyansa ye to anansa na ye de chiro nyansa. Enu ewan ya yira no. Obroni dia Tom and Jerry ejinawa otesi akurasa. Aka insamoni die eti just say yan kola na jimi. Omunim nyansa because ade ese ye de chire nkola no. Ye fa nchromo. Ye ti hey Obroni wo ni kuro. Edin
pa.
Yeah, pizza. Someone told the pizza. Obroni friend junk food.
Okay.
Yeah, obi enya ne ho no di pizza.
Pizza,
It is say no Obroni ne kura hu say nia no wo no enye. Say no o change back to us. Ye mom no ye change to them. Onim say ye chako export ko aboche. Ob di twhwe om say. Those times no na ye mama no obo bo we are no de twhwe yes. Thank you. Say no fine. Me who say it's good. We need to improve.
Okay.
My young Tony I want to train. Ekwa ye wade ba ye jamu. He nyame man nyama bebere ye de bia me ka say ekura sebe imura efifi o lord kwan mo.
Okay.
Me who be that? Just say your land and is so blessed. Say there is nothing that one who send all command is you. Ya de ye na nanu mu ni mo.
Ntina wo hu ne say ye nyame bi na wo no atwa ni so tumi ode ama ye
na. Ma wo tumi na de before say eden na nyame say me hu mo mu.
Okay.
Nyame hu he Jesus by no ka say bi by refi. O say nyame ye no betimi ya abro sa. Eden ti no ka chen sa.
Onim de ode adua.
Onim de ode adua mu. It is what bi adua me mu. Na minim nia ode adua me mu. Eden na me timi stop being you.
Nti adenti na se ye enkanya santimem na de si ne kesi wo ba bia nke beka so we mu de dudu sei adenti na ye nya sa adwen no se nyame de sa de ne dua mu anase ye wo sa de na adenti na kuro bi de ye wo mu de ye judge wo mu in a bad way
na ebi
na ebi no mu de ye ka wo mu in a good way.
Onim de bia me ka se yen as Ghanaians we ya identity.
Okay.
Who American here? Who be son or say I'm an American?
Sure.
Yeah, and you dear woman, Colani.
I say I'm free. Yeah, Virginia, me what I say.
Ufi vote and a year day. Ufi at him, a year day. We are something in a year day. You can't afford.
Oh, you didn't. Oh, me, me, infants knew me. I chin
a year day.
Yeah, crapimney.
In a year day. Own your identity as a nation.
Okay.
Now, Kamboma, there is nothing you can do.
Okay.
But I want to check it. Abofon be say yeah and am fia that is where we are weak. Ghana ni kwa abucha are so strong because I want omo boma back.
Okay.
Ghana that team. Yeah go number 9 for they have been discriminated. I'm telling you.
Number 9 for.
Sana mekano, sana from. But upe tourism Kovota region.
Sure.
Beautiful place. Their people friendly. But you see, So one count story, or be back and watch Yanama. It's almost a yeah, me blame you more.
Okay.
Have they told their story?
Okay.
The Ashanti people, they are proud people, no doubt. Mr. Ghana for United States for they are proud people, they hold dear to what they have. I believe to say who is not I believe or than that. Oh, and maybe what but that so I believe. And then now who shy away from your tribe?
Okay.
What is wrong with your tribe? What has your tribe done?
Okay.
If you are not proud of yourself, me, I can't be proud of you.
Sure.
Oh, you're losing it. It's time we go back to our and be proud as Ghanaian. Who are proud as Ghanaian first? Now you're patriotic. All these corruption cases will stop.
Will stop. Okay.
Because they are messed up. Me from police station. Of course, Switzerland now. Police in you. Almost citizen we. Oh, who say we are no better? That is what we need to impact in our kids.
Okay.
Right from our your books need to be who some will come back to the olden times. It's good. But we need to let them know say that was the better. Hey, mommy can be strong. Mommy can be strong. Let's delve further. A bit deep.
Okay.
Israel for no mommy Ghana for.
Okay.
Israel na Ghana for. Yen the blessed nation. No doubt. Me, I'm a proud Ghanaian. I wouldn't trade my country for anything, not even America. Okay. And Obi Onimibia knows it.
Okay.
We are proud. Just say we are proud people, but I say ye bano. Obroni ni say mamenda da wagi. And then Obi kwa Cydia, no bi kwa dollar. Odo okwa dollar. Okwa China. Okwa dollar. I also must go and change it. Of you. You see, I say you're proud people. Adioye, beautiful. Hey, do you imagine the kind of people who just come and see? Because they won't understand.
Sure.
And no, Bronino, you or say evil. And that is what we have used to.
Okay.
But here, forefathers, no, anyway, we're going to you.
No more, be a chance.
Me kotogo. Me chika careful. Me kotogo. Na me na nane yesie no. Yeah, Uncle Back. Or just say no, a commanding lightning.
Okay.
Now I strike it. That is how powerful the black man is. It's what John Akachem say we are weak. We are never weak. We are so those times now Ashanti history be or no count. Ashanti was the only tribe to have defeated the British.
Sure.
British for no, not almost of them say hey say na no. Your friend say Boku. What and buy so that form called Bisomo. Baby again yet. O to no, then the panachi to us no a gem say for 5 no more. That is how powerful we are. But as a people, where have we gone to? Say ye progress, say ye Africa would have been number one. But no be and say, we say, time here so we share no to Africa, not spiritual, no meaning what Africa is.
Okay.
So let's divide there. In the divide. Yes, into Kwame Nkrumah start here. Oh, me person boma near Kuno. Gaddafi ye, Nancy near Kuno. Because on person who say Bibia African is evil.
Okay.
And I answer no, ye feed ya, they have to. Oh, before the Ejimi. But who can the source of nature, the source of the universe the black race? The black race. Ye to me and son that. Etina, Yamaimu, tsunami, a kunkrofo, Africa is safe. Come the buy Africa, Kakrebi, but the world is suffering. We are not. We are blessed.
We are blessed. Yo, we the nkomo did no esia enesa eye wo final words and some up for onfa into eduano fasi na ye mfa yedumedi no emba na wie.
Okay, but the be America say let's all be Ghanaians. If you are Ghanaian, you are patriotic. If you are Ghanaian, you do no harm. We ye minu ya me onuya, aden na we ye me money. Aden na me your money. Na ye mfa no kre, ene mpa ba ne kro ye nkwa anim. Na Ghana ebeyi. Mano esi medamas.
Jo, Mr. Bembruzi ebeda wase ebebe na ebusuafo ha na ye de enkomo twetwe no ebesi wagentwe no fabra ebebetu edwa ewo too much GH comment section. Like a video is not share on all the social media platforms as you follow your your IG page and your Twitter page so @GH_media and equia sikapa that's ne yebesan edi eshia ebi makram.
Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say a band equipment apapa, a church for a quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, the band media law, advertising, camera handling, and a marketing there. And you're not a location at Abercrombie Park Junction. Fanamba ne boise na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na me obi nkasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati bi.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.